How to verify your Cash App. Hi guys, welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So the steps are very easy and simple, so you have to follow me along the video. So now let's get started. So let's say you have made a Cash App account and you want your account to be verified. So now if I go to limits, your daily or weekly sending limit will gonna be £250 and your receiving limit will gonna be about £500 per week. So let's say you have entered £600 and you want to send it. When you try to send it in 1 week time period, so let's say you have entered £600 and you want to send it. When you press that send button, you need to verify your account. So for that you need about your full name, your date of birth and your address for security purposes. Once you have entered that, after that you can send above £600 or maybe £1000 per week. So yeah, that's how basically you can verify Cash App.